Any doubts? No? Anyone? To clear again? Right. If not, I want to give a question as well, but better I will give the question in the physical mode. So then I can see it, right? I want to focus on next one, that is on package, right? The package, Java packages, right? Uh, can you take 5 minutes on searching what is package? You can answer. What do you mean by Java package? Why we need package? Can you spend time, few minutes on this package? And you can answer. Can answer someone? What do you mean by package? I need first initial idea from you, so then I can improve it. Package. Anybody? You, the students in not mic mode, right? They need to. They are not learners. That's why they not join mic mode, right? They need to join it as mic mode. Otherwise, you can't do this one. I will not normally check this during the Viva, final Viva. Who are the students actively engaged and everything? I check. So please be joined as mic mode, right? Others are not to learn. Others are just for listening. They join, right? So then I don't care on these students.
Java package is some kind of namespaces that organize set of related classes and interface, and
What is
when
namespace?
using
What is
some
namespace?
kind of group of classes.
Basically, a package is like a container. It's a container, right? What is package? So our concern is what is package. So basically, it is a container. So if it is a container, what we are storing inside, basically we can store main two things. One is you can store classes, plus you can store interfaces. Yesterday you learned about interfaces. It's similar to class but having some differences. So both uh, things will be stored in a package. So it's a container of storing classes and packages, right? Can you find why packages are required? Why package required? You need to interact with the lecturer. Answer. You find why package is required, why V concept is there. What's the purpose? Anyone? Why you think having package is important? I need answer from any.
To avoid namespace conflicts.
Naming conflicts, not naming conflicts. One is to like, if you are having a package, what we do is normally in a package you are storing set of interfaces classes that someone written. That can be you or by the Java developer, right? Java founders. So normally they written set of codes and they store in classes, and the classes and interfaces normally stored in package. So the benefit is later that can be reused. Now, for example, you know this one. Can you see this? Wait, I will. This is my code space, and here I'm writing this code. System out println, right? Say you want to print hello, right? Here, what is the class available in this code line? Can you see any class? Can you see any class in this code? Anyone? System out println. I written code. It has 3 words. System out println. Can you see any class here? Any method here? Any object here?
There is a class.
What
No
is the
method.
class?
There's a
No,
main method and the class.
no, I'm asking this one. This highlighted one. Can you see? Here
No.
I'm asking. Why not? System is a class. This is a class. This is a built-in object of system class. And this is a method. Right? Now, if you want to print something, you are using system out println. Now, the system class is already written by Java founders. Right? So what is the benefit? Now, if it is there, now if you want to print something, hello or your name or something, you can use this already written class. If it is not there, what will happen? Assume there is no class nothing introduced in Java to print. What you need to do? You have to write a lot of codings to print something. Now it is not required because Java having a class called system, it has a method. This class is stored in a package. I will show you what is the package, the system class available, right? Because of that, you have reduced number of code lines. Then no need to write a lot of code lines because you are using the already written class called system. So then you can reuse it. So that's the benefit of packages. There are some benefits, right? That is the main thing in package. If the package is there, it has classes and interfaces, then you can reuse to do your task. You can reduce number of code lines. No need to write again and again. If you want to print, you are using system class, simple. If not, You have to write 100, 200 codes to print something. That is very complex. Now it is easy because classes already written and these classes is stored in packages. Normally package having classes, even system class in a package, right? There are some other things like you can avoid naming conflict. Now you can have a one class called student in X package, and you can have the same class. That means you can have a class with the same name, maybe in a Y package. These are two different classes to do something, but same name. Then you have to store in the two packages, right? Then you can avoid naming conflict. Did you understand? Any question? Are you clear? Anything you can ask? I'm doing very slowly, getting your feedbacks.
So system representing the class and
Yes,
println actually it's a method. So what is
it's a
the
method.
meaning of dot operator?
Now, dot operator is a syntax that is to get inner contents of classes. Now, if you put dot, you can list down what it is having. Now, you can see out there like that. Okay. Any other questions? Any other? Right now, okay, seems you are clear, right? Now I am showing now packages actually can be categorized. How to categorize? What are the package? I mean, main categorizations. How to categorize packages? Let me know what are the types of packages available in Java.
Built-in packages,
Yes, one
user-defined
is
packages.
yes, correct. One is built-in package, one is user-created package. Built-in package means those are coming with Java installation that is given by Java, right? So other call user-created that you are creating, not Java given, but you can create. I will teach both, right? First, I show you how to create built-in package, right? Built-in packages. I take few example and I give time you to check. First, look at my one, right? Now, when you are using a built-in package, very simple. You go here. Now you are still inside another package, right? Don't worry. This is I created, already created. Inside, I take this import, right? You are using the keyword import. So why you are using import? Now it means you are going to use a package. Import. Then its package layout is normally package can contain. What package can contain? What package can contain? Package basically can contain
Classes
it is.
and interfaces.
Yes, classes and interfaces. No, same way. Now you know folder. The package is like a folder which has files, right? Similarly, package can have a sub package. That means package can have sub package that may contain classes and interfaces, right? Now I am going to use the main package called Java. Then inside you can see what is this icon. This icon shows package. This icon says package. These are list of sub packages, sub packages. So what is a main package? What is the main package? These are main packages.
Java.
Can you see? Yes, so many main packages, COM, Java, JavaX. We later use them, right? We can't use everything today, right? In future chapters, we have to use them. Then you have COM, Java, X, JDK, so many. I'm going to use one called Java. Inside, what are these? What are these?
Packages.
Yes, sub packages. Sub package. Now I take one sub package called LAN. Then what are these in that sub package? Those are. What is this icon?
Class.
This icon is, yes, this icon.
Interface.
Yes, interface. Now I take a package class called system class. Earlier I shown this is the package system class available, right? Then I can use system class here. Start println, print or println. I can use println. Hello, right? Then you can see it's working. Wait, what happened? I will write again. System out println hello. Not I have to write individual. I will write from here. There is an issue, I think, with my so many applications there. What I created is CSC, this one. I run here. Why it's not printing? In my case, not printing. We'll see why. These are we need to handle, right? I will refresh it. Right now, okay, I refresh. Can you see that? This is the way of using package. These are built-in packages, right? Can you try that? And you can ask questions. I give time. Right? Did you check? Any question to ask? Now earlier, did you not get a issue like earlier I used this statement without this? Do you have any question on this?
So is it automatically imported for every Java program?
Automatically means normally if you take this system, the system class, it is available in LAN package now. Normal thing is LAN package classes you can use without writing import. See, if you comment this, I can comment. No error. You can use. That is special for LAN package. LAN package classes and interfaces you can use without, even without importing. Right? You can check. I'll show you a few other packages. Now there is another one you can use. Import Java dot. I can use math sub package. This one dot has 3 classes. LAN dot math class is a class here. LAN is the same LAN package. You can round something. For example, I use this copy. I want to round, generate math class, right? Dot round. Or if I give a value like 60.55559 plot right? Now is maths is a class. I'm calling this method by class name. Do you know why? What can be the reason for calling this method by class name? Anyone? Normally, method is called by object name. Why I call round by class name math?
An interface?
Why it is? The round method is called by class name. Why it is? What can be the reason? Which method can be called by class?
Static method.
Yes, it's static method. That's why class name. So where maths class available? In LAN package. LAN package available in main package called Java. See the result. We'll refresh again because I have many projects. So see, it is rounded 61. Now it is highlighted by orange color underline because even the LAN package classes interfaces you can use without importing. You can remove this important, commented this import statement and see still working, right? Okay, shall I show you another one? I take different one, right? I import, then you can press control space. you can see package. I take one called Java. Now you are getting the, don't memorize, right? You can get the understanding and understanding through the practices, these things, right? No need to memorize. Java, there is a sub package called, you can see util. See? Util. Then you can see some of the classes available. I take class called scanner. Scanner class. Then I can use scanner class method right here. The one method, this normally scanner class provide you some method to get keyboard input. Example, using scanner class, I will create object called sc1. In then I can use this object to call scanner class method. Got so many methods you can see. I will take one next int, next float, next double, so many available. You can see list of this. I'll give time. Next int. Then you can get keyboard input. Say I want to get an integer. And input your age or something to variable age. And this age is right. It is requesting to refresh. Now it is asking to input your age, say 21. Age is 21. Right? Now check this one. Similarly, you can check whether it is possible to use this scanner class without importing. Check whether you can use scanner. It's like now removing this LAN package import statements, you can use system now. Similarly, you can check whether removing this import, whether it is possible to use scanner class and see the difference. I'm giving more time to check this. Right? Do you have questions? What is my question now? Is it possible to use scanner class removing this import? You are not answering. Is it possible? Did you check? It's like now I can comment this first to LAN. Now you can see no issue, no error, no compilation. Normally NetBeans giving compilation errors while you are typing, right? No issue. What happens if you comment this one without scanner? Can you use the scanner without importing scanner? Can you use? Answer it.
We can't use if we comment import java.util scanner, there is a compilation error.
Yes, that's what. You need to import it. Otherwise, you can see error indicated by red color underline. But LAN, you can use even without importing LAN package classes, but others not possible. Right? I give a small activity, right? I want to display time here, current time, right? Can you use the particular package? You have to search, right? And display the current time and date. Can you take 5 minutes? I want to remove this everything. I want to display time and date, right? Can you find what are the codes available, which package to be imported, and can you do it? Taking 5 minutes. Display time and date, current date and time. Anyone written, let me know. I will type here.
So we have to use two packages for showing
I
date.
will type.
We
Let me know.
use
Let me know. Import which package?
for date java.time.local date for
Time. I
showing
will
local
select time.
date
Dot
time.local
local
date.
date. It's a class.
Yes.
Right. Will display date. Then what is the code you need?
We have to create an object local date
From the class.
before we have to create a local date
Object.
and some variable name like now date or current date.
No. Let me know the code. How to start. First one is local date.
Local date.
Then
Some variable name like now date or current date.
right. Then
Local date dot now
now.
dot now.
That's all. My case, I want to refresh. Can you see? Right. Others try with the date time also. Time need a different another no local time.
For showing current time, we have to use local time class.
Yes, local time and the similar way, right? Right. Hope everyone understood. Now, what I wanted to do is to give the idea how to use package. Now, if these packages are written, you can easily use. No need to write a lot of codes by yourself. That's the advantage of having packages, because packages are having classes, classes are having codings. Then you can use like this in a shorter form. Right. That's I discuss built-in packages. You can see so many built-in packages, right? In upcoming chapters also you can learn. Then I want to focus on how to create user-defined package. What is user-defined package? User-defined package. What is it? That means that you can create own package with your own codings, right? You can create. Right. I give 2 minutes and I will explain how to create it. You can finalize this. Right. Now I am going to create my own package, right? See this very carefully. I give time you to do, right? See, I remove this. Now, first thing is I go to projects. Now, this is my one. I have a lot of projects earlier created. So, but I need this one, your one, DSC 23.2 EAD1 project. Then right. So you can see this icon is a package icon. I will create a new package. So click on this, right click, new package. You can see Java package icon. And I can give a package name, say test package or something, test. So normally package name, you write everything simple letters, test package. Right, I create a test package. Right, package name created, finish. Then you can see package is available. Right, package is available here. All right, please add the package here. I can give time. Empty package. right? Then you create a test package. I want to add a class here. So my own class, right click on test package, new, you can see Java class. See, right click on this, new Java class. Then I can give a name for the class is test. Class name capital letter test and add it. See this. This is the coding related to my package creation. Test package class coming as public class. I will explain the meaning of public. See this one. This arrangement is there, right? You have a class. Try to take. See. Then you can see clearly. This is my test package I created. Then this is the added class test. Class added as public. So public means actually this test class visible to other packages. That's why public. So you should have at least one public class in the package. And that public means for the class, that class visible to other packages in your application, right? Can you do this? You can ask questions, don't be silent. Right. Then I want to add something. You can add here attributes, methods, anything you can add. Same as earlier you written inside the class, right? I simply add a method. Public void, say display method. Then I try to display a test message. This is a test message. Right, it's a test message. Right, so then I created a class. You can keep attribute. I just written a method to display test message that is in the new package, right? So can you add this as well? Right. Have you created Please respond me. I'm waiting. Then I will show you how to use this, right? This one I'm going to use from different package. I'm going to this package where main method available. See, this is the original package I created. It has the main method class because you need main method to start. I go to that. Try to take. All right. Then I have many views. Right. This is my main method. Then I can create. I want to use this package. Then I write import. What I should import? Someone answer. I want to display. This is a test message. Which one I should get? Right? What is the package?
Test package.
Yes. Test, not test. Yes, this one, test package. Control space. Then I can select test package. That is I created. Dot class test. That means this one, right? Then I can use this. I can create object and call this method. Test. Say object is t new test t dot display. Because not refresh. There is an issue in my case. I will open both. But it's better if you have front layer. Give 1 minute. Right. See now, when I'm running, the main method will be running and it will show the output. This is a test message. That's how you can use already created packages, right? Can you try this? Is it working? I need your response. Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Right, working. Others, any issues? Let me know. So other students, any technical issues or something? Then I can check individually. I will continue, right? I have to discuss more things. Even I will start the next one at 11, right? I will start at 11. For 11:15, I will schedule it. At 11:15, right? 11:15 to then 1:15. Sorry, 11, right? I'll take 11. 11 to 1. Any others? Right. Then you can continue and finish. So I will join at 11, right? Okay.
You are now muted.
Right. Shall I continue? Right. Assume I want to add another class. to the same package, that case, two things. First of all, I am showing there are two scenarios. Now, in my case, user created package. Right? You should know how to create a package, then how to use created package, right? Then I did that. I created the package and I use it. Then I'm going to teach you how to add classes to the existing package. You have already created now. How to add now? There are two scenarios: adding a public class, adding a non-public class. Let me know what is the difference between public class and non-public class. Anyone can answer? Right. What is the difference between public class and non-public class? Anyone can answer quick.
Public class can accessible for everyone, sir. But like access modifier, non-public class can accessible for
Public class basically accessed by any package. Non-public class can be accessed within the package. I am showing now here. I created a package called test package now. It has a public class. That public class is accessed by another package called DSC 23.0. Can you see this? You can access. Now, if I keep here non-public class, for example, I add with class, it's a non-public class, test2, right? Class test2. You can add something, method or something, right? Then if I try to import this one, check whether it's importing or not. Import test package. You can see test package. Can you see test2? Can you check that whether it's possible to see test2? Only I can see test class. Please check. Is it visible? I mean, class test2 is visible to other package. Can you test? Visible or not? Let me know. Check.
No, sir. No, not visible.
Yes, not visible because it is non-public. That's the difference between public class, non-public class. Right. I have a question. How you can add a public class to the same package? Can I add like this? Check. Check and let me know. Can I add like? Let me know your experience. I am giving more chance you to experience and let me know. So that is the most important than listening to my deliveries, right? So please let me know your experience, whether it's possible or not.
Now it's visible, sir.
Is it visible? But can't you see error message? Here, test2 is visible, right? That is okay because of public. What is this error message? Didn't take this error message. Did you not get error message? Please, everyone reply, right? Now most of join as listen mode. The listen mode only, right? They are not learners, as I mentioned, right? In Viva, I will thoroughly check what they done. What do you think about the error? What error says?
There is error. It should be declared in the file name.
Yes, this is wrong way of creating. When you add a non-public class, this is right. No error. Now no error. This is not error. This is not. It's a orange color. No error. It says you are not using it. Never use. It's not error. When you can add a non-public class like this, but you can't add public class like this. So how to add public class? Always you need a new file. What is the file name of this application? This package in which file? What is the package? File. I mean file. Let me know file name is. What is this file name? Your package available in test.java file. See how the file name received? Test.java. File name I mean. That file name is the public class name. What is the public class name? Test. That is the file name. That means one file should have one public class. To take one file, not package, right? One file should have one public class. That public class name used to name this, right? Clear? So I am going to add another public class to the same package. My package is here. What I do is I have to create another one, Java class. I can take it as test3. It's a public class, test3. Then you can see it. Then you have another public class on the same package. On the same package. Right? See, test3. The file name also test3. Always file name of the package is the public class name. Right? Can you do that? I'm waiting. You ask questions, right? Have you added? I'm waiting your response, right? right? Then I will add a method for testing purpose, right? No need to be always method. You can add even attribute, right? For example, I will add a attribute this time, private attribute called int ABC or something, and take the construct public constructor name test3. Then right, I added these codings inside the public class, right? Then other package can use it. See, what is the package should import? Let me know. Which package? I want to use
Import test package dot test3.
yes, import test3 dot test package dot test3. Right. Then you can create object and use. Say I'm creating object from test3. Object is t3. Can pass something here. No need to pass. I not use parameters. T3 dot. Right. Then can see the result. Refresh. I will clean and build to clear it. Then you can see. Right. So then how many public classes in my package? 2 public classes, test3. You can add so many public classes, but the requirement is you need to take a new file. So each time file name created by public class name. You can see here your file is test3.java. It's a public class name. Here public class name. File is test Java, right? Please check. Please check and ask question. Otherwise, I don't know whether you understood or not. Please ask question, right? Right. Have you tested it?
Yes, sir.
Right. I'll give another shortcut. Right. Now here you can see both classes coming from one package now. Test and test3 both coming from the same package. In that case, actually, no need to write several statements like this. You can put asterisk. That asterisk means you are using all the classes interfaces of the package. Then no need this one. I can remove this. I can comment it. Right? Check. So asterisk will get all the classes interfaces from this package. See it. Asterisk is the easiest way. But if it is a new package, definitely you need to write it. Right. Then I will show you the last one regards to package, that how to use static attributes and static method with the import statement. I take a static attribute, for example. I'm writing private, so I take it as public, otherwise you can't import into a different without public. Say there is a one called xy, public static. Say string xy with something added. It's a string, it's a static. I can do like hello or something. Right. Now I want to use this static attribute here. So then I can follow this pattern of import. So the pattern is this. I will write import. I want the static, no, static test package, import test package dot test, sorry, test3 dot test3 test3 dot xy. You can mention the member name as well because of static. Then you can directly use this here. Say you want to print something. That is the nature of static import. Static is, right, in addition to class, you can get the static member as well. Member can be attribute or method anyway. Then you can directly access without help of class. See, build it. Right. See, static cell, right? That is the way of getting static member, right? Please try that as well. That is the last one. So then I want to move to next one. I give 5 minutes for questioning as well. Right? Is it okay? So those are the all things that I wanted to highlight in packages. So we finish interface and also package. So 2 sessions completed, right? So these areas to be touched. You should know what is package, why package is required, how to categorize package, what is on built-in packages, what is user-defined package, how to create a package, how to use created package, and how to add classes to existing package, and also how to use static members through static members in a package. You should be aware on this, right? If you are okay, I move to the next session, that is on exceptions. Exception. Right. Can you take another 5 minutes to find a Java exception? Right. Can you take 5 minutes on exception? Right. Right. I will move. Anyone? Have you heard the term exception earlier? Exception? Anyone
Yes.
know? What is exception?
So it's a exception that happens during the execution of the program. It's an event. It's like an event that happened during the executing of the program.
Yes, basically yes. That will it is correct. Definitely, exception will be occurred during the execution of the program. Normally, when you are programming, you are getting types of errors, right? So one type of error we call compile time error, right? You know, by experience, you know several compilation errors now. For example, if I type something here, there is error. Can you see? Now this is compile time in NetBeans, and you can see error. What is the reason for this error? Anyone let me know? There is a compile time error. What is the reason for this error?
Curly braces not properly closed.
Yes, not close. You open a curly brace but not close. Now it is removed. Now even I type this one, public capital. Error. Because case issue. So you have experience with compile time errors. So compile time errors should be fixed earlier. That means before running, you have to fix it. Otherwise, you can't run. You are aware a lot of compile time errors, right? The other one is called runtime error, right? You should know what is the difference between compile time error and runtime error, right? Runtime error. Let me know what is the difference actually. Compile time error and runtime error. How it is different. Compile time error and runtime error. What's the difference? Compile time error, runtime error, difference? Compile time errors coming when it is being compiled. Runtime errors coming when it is when the application is running.
Executed.
Yes, execution running. Right. I'm not going to show you more compile time errors because you know everyone knows. One runtime error I want to show you, right? See, simple one. I take a variable called result. Then I want to store number. Then I want to store 50 divided by 0. I take 50 divided by 2 and I want to display it. And say result is this. We'll clean and build. When you are building, it will be updated. Right, results is 25. Any error here? What is the observation? Can you see any compile time error or runtime error? Let me know.
No, sir.
Nothing. So no compilation error, no runtime error. Right. Now, let me know any compilation error.
No, sir.
No. Then I will run. Sorry, I will. Right. Now I am running. Right. What happened? Can you check this?
There is a runtime error because the number cannot be divided by 0.
Yes, you mistakenly put 50 to be divided by 0. This is an the integer divided by 0 is a runtime error. Right? It is a runtime error. You can see it's a runtime error. Then you can it is created exception. So this is exception, right? You can see exception clearly. Exception in thread main. That means your exception created in the main class, main method, right? So the exception class is arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception. What is this? What is this one?
Package.
Yes, java.lang package. The exception generated by this class, arithmetic exception class. What is the description? Description is divide by 0. So what happens to your program? Your program created exception. Why exception created?
Because there is a runtime error.
Yes, because of runtime error, exception created. What is the result of exception? Result is program crash. Now, after that, if you put a statement, that does not work. Even that is statement correct, it does not work because of exception. Now, see, I want to print hello after this. Hello will not be printed. I will clean. Hello will not be printed because exception crash your program. Exception damage your program. See this? See this one? Output. The print hello is not printed because crash. So can you check that? Did you check? Did you check?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then what is the effect is here? There is a runtime error, right? That runtime error created exception. You can see the exception here. So normally exception is a kind of object that will damage your program, right? It's an object that damaged the program. That exception created by this class, arithmetic exception class, then it is crash. Program is crash. So then the result is pending codes are not working. If you type so many codes, not working. See, these are not printed. But before that, it will be printed. Before this, everything will be printed. Before means now, before the exception, you can see everything printed. See? Then, see, now hello printed earlier, right? See? 3 hello text printed, but whatever not printed after this, because exception created by this line. So these are not printed. Right. I'm showing another exception. You can check another 2 minutes. I'm showing another example. See this, I remove this. This time I take different runtime error. I will create array. Array name is I take x new int, size is 3. Then I'm storing values here. 0 index 10, 5, x 2, 36, x 3, 50. Right. Please check this and let me know what will happen. I created array size 3 and I stored 4 numbers and check and let me know the result. Right, did you execute this? What is the result?
Yes, sir, there is a runtime error. Index 3 out of bound for length 3.
Yes, when I'm running. Right. Can you see? Exception created. Exception class is array index out of bound exception. Description is index 3 out of bound. That means your array having 3 slots, but you are trying to store additional 1. It is wrong. That's why it is created. See this? Right. Right. I'm showing another example, right? I remove this scenario. Then this is that was the second runtime error. This time I take a string for x. Then I want to display the length. I call x dot length of the string. First of all, I'm storing value here, NIBM. Then I try to store it. I want to print length. You can see the length. Sorry, I want to clean and build. Right. You can see length is 4. The length mean how many characters in the string. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Length is 4. No compilation error, no runtime error. So no exception, no crash. Right? Check. Right? Number of characters 4. Then I am going to remove this string. Then it is empty, and then I try to get the length of the string, but no characters. And I run it. Length is 0. Right? Now it is 0. Now what will happen if I remove this? Now I not stored any. See what happens. Sorry. I store null. Null means no string. Null. I stored null value. Null is string. Null means no string. Then I clean and build. Then no compilation errors. Then you can run this. What happened? See? Because I am trying to get the length of the string, because the string is missing, null, no string. Right? Check. right? Now, that is the third runtime error case. Is it clear? So we discuss what is an exception, right? What is exception, anyone now? What is an exception? Anyone? What is an exception?
Exception is an unwanted or unaccepted event which occurs during the execution of a program.
Yes, it is like an kind of an object created by exception class. And what is the effect of exception? Once exception is created, what will happen?
Program will crash.
Yes, program is crashed. How to then what happens is pending codes are not working. Now, if you've written some codings after this, here, if you've written many codes here, those are not working. Right? That is the failure of exception, right? How we can handle it? Exception. To handle exception, we use a block, try catch finally block. Right? We use try catch finally. So we can use try catch finally block, right? I'll show you example. Now here, this code generate exception because there is no this code actually because there is no string to get the length. So we use try block to write exception generated code. So here I can write try exception generated code. So try block. You can write many codes which exceptions are possible in try. Then you need a catch block to catch. Catch means that is handling the exception. What is the exception class? This exception created by which class? Here.
Null point exception.
Yes. Then catch block, you have to mention the class name. I can mention this. This is the class. This is the object reference. E, X, or any reference you can mention here. This is a class type variable, right? Then I write exception handling message. System, I can take error type. I can say exception is created and you can display the description, class description. How to display? E dot get message. Right now, you can see this. Once exception is created, try block, throw it away. That means your exception object, throw it away by the try block. Catch block, if the exception matching to this class type, it will be caught and show a message. So the thing is, once exception is handled, the pending codes are working. Whatever you written here will be working. So I can type some statement after this. Those are working. You can see hello. Now, because exception is handled. Handle means no damage to pending codes. See? So this code should work now. See? I need to clean and build, otherwise reference not updated. Now here exception is possible. Exception will be created, then it will be caught. Once it is caught, user can see the message and also program will not be crash. See? So after that, codings are working, no damage because of handling, right? So take time to check this. right? Did you check this handling? So once handled, what will happen is the remaining code, even exception is created, the remaining codes are working. That's what we call not damage after handling. Try catch. Did you get this? Please respond.
Yes.
Right now, say I'm writing another code. I want to here get answer by dividing a number like 100, 400 divided by 0. How many exceptions possible now here? Please let me know how many exceptions are possible. How many runtimes here? How many exceptions possible? How many exceptions possible? Here. Check. Yes, here there are two runtime errors. One is I am trying to get the length of the string, and a string is not possible. A string is not available. Then there is a one runtime error. Then here another runtime error because I am trying to divide integer by 0. Right? Check this. When I am running, sorry, I need to clean and build. Right. See what happens. Sorry, again I will right now exception is created. Null point exception. Give 1 minute. I want to again refresh. Right, see, I refresh again, there is an issue with updating my codes, right? Then see this. Here, there is a one call x.length, but no way to get the length, string not available. Other one is I am trying to divide integer by 0. It is a runtime error. So 2 exception possible, right? You can see here, I am getting arithmetic exception. Why I am getting arithmetic exception? Because I use try and catch. What is the reason? Now, try and catch is used to handle exceptions, right? I have handled it, but why I am getting this exception? Let me know the reason.
Because that is for only null point exception.
Yes, I handle only one exception. That is null pointer exception only handle. But I not handle this one. So if you have multiple exceptions to be created, you can use multiple catch block like this. Which class generate it? This is the arithmetic exception generated by which class? What is the class? It is generated arithmetic exception class. Can use another object and give exception handling message. Right. Exception is created. Then I will again right. Then both handle. Okay. Now no crash because I handle both exceptions. So to handle exception, we use try and catch. So you have to use one try, but multiple catch blocks. Right. So these are exception classes. See. Can you check? Right. Ne? Did you check this? Optionally, you can use finally block. Final block is optional. Now, for example, you can add a finally block. It is working whether exception is created or not, compulsorily working. That is good to display program and messages, database connection close, those type of work, finally block is perfect because it is working whether exception created or not, right? So I can say something inside finish. Whether exception is not or there, that is working. Is working. Will. Final block should work. Okay. Now here there is exception, even exception, final block executed. You remove this exception, again it is working. So it's compulsory and optional. If you want, you can add finally block to do something. Otherwise, you can remove it. Not compulsory. But if you add finally block, it is definitely executing, regardless of the exception. Can you check these things? So then I will continue on Saturday. The pending part, I have to discuss more things on exception handling and some exercises I will discuss on coming Saturday class. Right? Okay. If you have a question, I can give another few minutes to clear.
So can we use exception class for handling various type of errors?
Yes,
Is it okay?
can. Now say you are getting unknown exception. These are known exceptions now. Then you can use the superclass name. There's a class superclass. You can check the exception class hierarchy, right? I will type here. Exception class hierarchy. Class hierarchy. Right? That means structure. Sorry, hierarchy. This one. Exception class hierarchy. So here you can put superclass called exception. If you got unknown exception and if it is not mentioned here, this will be handled. But the thing is, you can't give a specific message. Now here you can give a specific message for user saying no string given. Here you can give a specific message saying integer divided by 0 is wrong. But here you can't give a specific user message because you don't know what is the message, but it will be handled. You can say unknown. Is it okay? Is that the question you ask? It is better to
Yes,
have. It is better to have this catch block also if you got unknown exception. So that is safe. So your program will not damage. Otherwise, you handle only 2 exceptions. If you got unknown one, your program will be damaged. Others also can ask question. Otherwise, I can continue from next day, Saturday. More exercises, more things, even packages, interfaces, lot of exercises I plan on physical class. Right. Right. If okay, I can finish. Your questions, what you not understood, please bring for next day physical session. Right. So clear. And remind me to continue from this area. Right. Okay. Finish. I am
okay, sir.
stopping.
Thank
Right.
you, sir.
Right.